They gonna be like, oh, we know who the fuck house he at. Oh, this shit crazy. You done fucked with the suspension too, huh?
Yeah.
What you do with the big ass trucks?
Hmm?
What you do with the big ass trucks?
I ended up selling them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude came way out from Missouri to buy it.
Damn. Man, I still want a big ass, stupid ass toy, man. You say this is a Skylark?
Yeah. 72 Buick Skylark.
72. Man. That's a plane. There we go. And that's another thing I gotta get into now that I'm back. It's like, I always used to duck paint jobs and suspension. I always was like, man, shit. I'm like, yeah, I gotta do it now.
Yeah.
Man.